Hi friends, let's learn colors with fun vehicles. Are you ready? Let's go! Here comes a plain gray car. Oh no, it needs some color. Wow, now it's a red car. Look, a gray bus is driving in. Let's add some blue paint. Awesome! It's a blue bus now. Choo-choo! A train is coming! Can we color it yellow? Yes! Now it's a bright yellow train. A big truck needs some color. Let's paint it green. Perfect! It's a green truck. What's this? A little van? Splash some orange paint. Yay! It's an orange van now. Here comes a scooter. Let's color it pink and make it pretty. So cute! It's a pink scooter. Do you see the Jeep? Let's give it a royal purple color. Wow, it's a purple Jeep! A motorcycle is here. Time to paint it black. Cool! It's a black motorcycle. Look, an ambulance needs some color. Let's color it white like snow. Great! It's a white ambulance. A tractor is coming from the farm. Let's paint it brown. Nice! It's a brown tractor now. Great job, friends! You learned so many colors today. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, pink, purple, black, white, and brown. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye-bye! See you soon in the next video.